Welcome back. So in this lecture, you are gonna learn how to create collections and improve the user experience on your store. Now, when people come to shop on your store, over time, you're going to have a lot of different products. And in order for customers to find the products that they are looking for, it's a good idea to have things neatly organized. So right now, if we go and have a look at our store, and if we go to online store and then click on the eye, we're going to see that what we have right now is the catalog. That's where we're going to find all of our products. You can also see if you scroll down that you have the featured products automatically added in here. But we're going to concern ourselves about that in the upcoming 2 lectures. So for now, if people want to find your products, they can click on catalog up here and they're gonna find all of your products in here. But when you start getting into a higher quantity of products, let's say that you have 10 different types of earrings, maybe 15 different types of bracelets, this is gonna be a mess. And what if you start importing hats? And what if you start expanding to different types of jewelry or something sports clothes or whatever it might be? Then this product section, the catalog here, is just gonna be one big mess. So we want to improve the navigation. We want to create one section right now for bracelets and one section for earrings. And we're gonna do that by using something known as collections. So let's close this one down and go back. So we're gonna go over to products over here. And you should see your products here if you imported everything correctly, by the way. And we're gonna finish these up and make them look a little bit better in the upcoming lecture. And then we're gonna go down to collections. And in here, we have currently a collection called homepage, and we just watched our homepage and they're already there. But we're gonna go to the upper right corner and click on create collections because we wanna make a couple of new ones. Now, there's a lot of things you can do here. You can add in a description, you could add in an image. We don't need to do any of that because we just want to add in something on the menu so it's easier to navigate. So I'm just gonna call this bracelets, okay? That's all. And the next thing we want to concern ourselves with is the collection type. Now, there are 2 approaches to this. Either you can do it manually, and that means that you're going to have to manually add in what you want into certain collection, going into each of the products and then choosing, oh, I want this product to go into this collection. But we're going to use the automated way, and we're simply going to use tags. For example, we have the title bracelets, and we also set a tag called bracelets. You're going to find all of your tags in a drop-down menu like this. And since I created 2 tags, one for bracelets and one for earrings, I'm gonna choose bracelets in here. So now when I add in this condition, it says product must match all the condition. Product tag is equal to bracelets. That means that when we use this tag bracelets, when we have a product that has exactly this tag, that product is going to add up in this collection called bracelets. Now I'm saying bracelets a lot of time, but I hope you understand what I mean here. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna click on save. There we go. And now we have created our first collection. We're gonna create one more collection. So we're gonna click once again here on collections. Then we're gonna go to create collection and we're gonna call this earrings. And that's all. We're gonna scroll down. We're gonna make sure the collection type is on automated. We're gonna click on earrings and then click on save. So there we go. So now we have our products automatically put into the correct collection because we set up the tags beforehand. So it's just a way of making an easier workflow, especially when we start adding in more products over time. Now, to make these collections visible, we're gonna go down and click on online store. And then we're gonna click on navigation. And then we're gonna click on main menu. So there are 2 things we can do here. And I'm gonna show you so you can make your own decision how you want your design to be. The first thing is to just add in the new collections directly to the main menu. So we're gonna click on add menu item. And then we're gonna go down to link. We're gonna click here, click on collections, and then I'm gonna start off with bracelets, just like that, so the name fills in automatically, and then click on add. There we go. I'm gonna add one more, gonna go into collections, and now we're gonna do earrings, and then click on add, okay? And now I'm gonna click on save menu. So if I do that, and now I click on the eye to see how things turned out, we can see that we now have bracelets here and earrings here. So if I click on bracelets, for example, I'm gonna be taken directly to the section with the bracelets. And earrings, of course, the section with the earrings. Easy as pie, right? So it's up to you how you want the design to be. If you're planning on only having a couple of different types in your store, this is not a bad idea to keep the collections up here at all. I actually think it's quite a wonderful idea. Now, the other option, which I also really like, especially when you start adding in a lot of different types of collections over time, is that you're going to make it a part of the catalog. So you're going to turn the catalog into a drop-down menu. And the way you do that is very simply you click on, for example, bracelets, and then we go down to catalog. And you can see the little dot right there. If it's all the way to the left, it's just going to be right underneath catalog. But if I grab it and I move it to the right and it's being put in slightly aligned to the right, that's going to turn it into a drop-down menu. And then I'm going to do the very same thing with earrings. I'm going to grab it here and then I'm going to put it just below catalog. Now, if I put it below bracelets like this, I'm going to have a drop-down menu within a drop-down menu. So you can do this to infinity. But I want it just to be one drop-down menu. So I'm going to put it just underneath catalog, just like that. And now we have two different options in one drop-down menu. So now I'm going to click on Save Menu. And let's go back here and let's refresh this page. And as we can see, we now have a catalog with a drop-down menu. So if I click here, we get earrings and we get bracelets. So I really like this because it's a little bit cleaner and it also allows you to add more collections over time. Let's say that you have 5, 6, 7 collections. You're gonna have a menu that's all the way out here, and that's not a nice user experience. I think it's much nicer and cleaner keeping it just like this. So that's how you add collections. That's how you use collections. Make sure that you take advantage of it because early organization is really gonna help you down in the long run. Now, the next thing we're gonna do in the next lecture is make sure that our product pages are looking on point, because currently if I click on this product page, you're gonna see that there is a lot going on right here, and we don't necessarily want all of this information, especially when we look under materials. There's nothing. It's just a tad much going on. So we're gonna clean this up in the next lecture. I'll see you there.